if you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello, all. Welcome back to Current Affairs Settler series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing Hornbill. So, hornbills are family of tropical and subtropical birds, largely found in Africa, Asia, in Pacific Islands. The Pacific Islands are referred as Polynesia, Micronesia, Melanesia. So, who is calling such islands as such group of islands as Polynesia, Micronesia? Those travelers who travel to those places, they gave such names. Okay, that refers to group of islands, right? So here I am referring to Melanesia. So Melanesia includes part of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, etc. In these islands also you will find good number of hornbills, right? So there are totally 62 different types of hornbills, in which 9 subspecies are found in India, right? What are those 9 subspecies? Great hornbill. This great hornbill, of all the 9, this great is the largest species in India. And you should know, Kerala's state bird is great hornbill. Arunachal Pradesh state bird is also great hornbill, right? You have rufous-necked hornbill, breathed hornbill, oriental piped hornbill, white-throated brown hornbill. See this white-throated brown hornbill, this oriental piped hornbill, this breathed hornbill, and rufous-necked hornbill. See, I have marked 5 hornbills here, right? One is the great hornbill, second one is the rufous-necked hornbill, third one is the wreathed hornbill, then fourth one is oriented pied hornbill, then fifth one is white-throated brown hornbill. These 5, out of this 9, out of the total 9, these 5 hornbills you can see in northeast. You can see in northeast, right? Out of this 5, this rufous-necked hornbill, I will use a different color. So out of this 5, this rufous-necked hornbill, breathed hornbill, white-throated brown hornbill is found only in northeast in India. I'm talking about in India. What did I say? Of this 9 hornbills, 5 hornbills, whatever I have marked here, it is found in northeast. In this 5, 3 hornbills, that is the rufous-necked, whatever I have marked in green color, rufous-necked, wreathed, and white-throated brown hornbill is found only in the northeast. What about the remaining 2, sir? It is found in northeast. It is also found in other parts of the country. Okay. So if a question comes, larger number of species of hornbills in India is found in northeastern region. Statement is correct, because out of 9, 5 is from northeast. Okay, 5 is found in northeast. Statement is correct. What about the remaining hornbills? I will choose a different color. We will take blue color this time. Narcondam hornbill. This Narcondam hornbill is endemic in the entire world. This Narcondam hornbill is found only in Narcondam Island, which is a part of the Andaman Nicobar Island. The island is in a part of Andaman Nicobar Island. Only there you will find Narcondam hornbill. This Malabar pied hornbill you will find in India as well as Sri Lanka. Malabar pied. This Malabar grey hornbill, that you will find only in Western Ghats. Indian grey hornbill you will find in the entire Indian subcontinent. Largely you will find in the Indian subcontinent. Sir, is it required to remember all the hornbill names individually? Not required. But however, just know the key aspects, whatever I was saying. I was sharing. So Kerala state bird, Arunachal state bird. Out of 9, 5 species is found in northeast. Out of 5, 3 is found only in northeast in India. Narcondam is endemic to our region. This Malabar grey hornbill, that is found only in Western Ghats. So such informations you have to keep it in mind. So now if I simply show these names, that is going to create some boredom. So to overcome that boredom, let's have a small journey. Okay, let's go and see all these different varieties of hornbills found in India. See, the first one is the great hornbill. The great hornbill, this is the largest number of hornbills which we can see in India. Kerala state bird, Arunachal state bird. Then we have rufous necked hornbill. Then we have breathed hornbill, Narcondam hornbill. Right, you can even pause the video and you can enjoy the beauty of these majestic birds. Then Malabar pied hornbill, then Oriental pied hornbill. See, this Malabar pied and Oriental pied looks somewhat similar, right? But this Oriental pied hornbill will be smaller when compared to the Malabar pied hornbill. Then you have this white throated brown hornbill, then Malabar grey hornbill. Then we have the last one, that is the Indian grey hornbill. Right, somehow it looks like a crow, but still it also still looks majestic. This is Indian grey hornbill. These are the 9 species found in India. These hornbills have a lot of unique characteristics. So if you look at the nesting aspect of hornbill, breeding aspect of hornbill, you will be surprised. You know, hornbill has only one mating partner for life. So the particularly the breeding aspect, it has a unique, very unique breeding aspect. You will find hornbill references in most of the tribal communities cultural practices, right? Because they consider hornbill to be more sacred, hornbill's behavior to be more sacred. Look at this, having one mating partner, right? And also the both male and the female will be equally contributing in the breeding process, nesting process. Just I will explain. Have a look at this image. So what happens is the mother during the time of breeding, it will find a tree which is having some cavity. It will find a tree which is having some cavity, which has some gap, some hole. The mother bird will go inside, right? So where a nest will be created, at least for 6 months, it is going to stay inside. It is going to stay inside. Now, what the male partner will do? The male partner, after ensuring that the female partner is settled comfortably inside the tree, it will seal this gap. It will seal this gap. Some small gap will be left out so that the sunlight can enter. Right? But apart from that, it will ensure that the female partner is completely safer inside the tree. Now, what about the food, sir? It is the duty of the male partner. The male partner will go, it will bring food. It will bring food and it is going to feed the female partner. Right? You should know these hornbills are frugivores. That means they are fruit eating. They are fruit eating birds. They eat fruit. They will go to a distant place. They will shit. While shitting, the seeds will come out. And that seeds will help in expanding the forest. That is why hornbills are called as farmers of the forest. Hornbills are called as farmers of the forest. Now, every time the male partner will go, will bring food, it will feed. It will open the nest, it will feed. After that, it will be sealed. Now, just imagine what happen if the male partner dies. If the male partner dies, then the female one will not come out. The female and the chicks, that will also die. Right? Now just imagine. We do not know whether we have a hornbill sealed or not. What will happen if we cut those trees? Think about deforestation. Right? For our selfish needs, we go for deforestation. Habitat gets destructed. Hornbill count is getting destructed. It is getting reduced. Right? Apart from that, there is hunting, poaching, habitat destruction, urbanization, deforestation. Right? So all these are creating problems. These are threats for the hornbill community. Right? Some cultural significance, as I said, in every tribes or most of the tribes folklore, you will find the references of this hornbill. If you take the Nishi community of Arunachal Pradesh, for them hornbill is their cultural symbol. But that is their cultural symbol. At the same time, look at their headgears, their cap. Look at their cap. So they make use of the beaks. They make use of the beaks of the hornbill. So for using that beak, they are hunting the hornbills. One side they are celebrating, another side they are also hunting the hornbills. Government is coming up with a lot of community associated conservation program to protect the hornbills. Right? There is a separate festival called as Hornbill Festival celebrated in Nagaland. Right? So not just in Northeast, Kerala state bird is great hornbill. Right? About threats I have mentioned deforestation, hunting, and also for making ornaments. They cut the beaks and head of the hornbills and they use it for making ornaments. So these are the most common threats. So why in news? So Vadachal Forest Division in Kerala, the Western Ghats and Vadachal Forest Division, you will find three different types of hornbills. You will find, four different hornbills. That is the Great Hornbill, Malabar Pied Hornbill, Malabar Grey Hornbill, and Indian Grey Hornbill. So that location you will find four different hornbills. In that location, we see a lot of hunting, poaching activities going on. So by taking the help of the local community, so Kadar tribal community, by taking the local Kadar tribal community, what government is doing, this is the local tribal community, they know about the forest, they know about the locations. So if some hunter poacher comes inside the forest, they will have a communication channel with the forest department, they will intimate the forest department, so they will act like a spy and they help in conserving, protecting this hornbills. Okay, so because of this program, it was in news. Few years back, another region was in news. Let me explain about that as well. There is Papam Reserve Forest, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, which is adjacent to the Paki Tiger Reserve. Right? Paki Tiger Reserve. So this tiger reserve has tropical dry evergreen, semi-evergreen forest. In these tropical evergreen forest, you will have trees with broader leaves. So this Papam Reserve Forest, which is home to three hornbills. Okay, there is great hornbill, red hornbill, oriental pied hornbill. That is not important. Just know that Papam Reserve Forest adjacent to Paki Tiger Reserve, both are in Arunachal Pradesh. What type of vegetation, what type of geographical terrain, that I have explained. So even here there is problem of hunting, deforestation, agriculture expansion, etc. Apart from that, why Papam Reserve Forest in news few years back is the Papam Reserve Forest is shrinking. The forest area is shrinking. Between 2013 to 2017, 24% of the forest area got declined. Annually, up to 8 square kilometers, the forest area is getting declined. So because of that, the habitat is getting restricted. That is why it was in news few years back, 2-3 years back. So I am taking this as an opportunity to give you that value addition as well. Right? I hope the topic was useful. So I will see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.